So, hello everyone. Now we are going to understand this question. Which of the following oxides is most metallic in nature? So the options are MgO, BeO, CaO, and BaO. So, in case of metals, as we move down the metallic group, the uh, metallic character increases. The metallic character increases. Okay, and the basic nature let me write it Bn. Okay, so the basic nature decreases. So as the basic nature decreases, hence the most acidic will be Bo according this. Okay, because Be is the least. Be is the least metallic in group 2. In group 2. Okay, therefore Be is the most acidic as uh, the acidity of oxides decreases. As the acidity decrease, decreases. Okay. Now, with an increase of electropositive character of an center atom. So, the correct answer according to us is BeO. Let's check what's the correct answer. So, the correct answer is 2, which is BeO. So, thank you so much for listening to the answer.